who is that? That is she. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul. Now this haul is a little bit different as it is a shop my closet kind of video because all of these clothes that I will be showing you today are for sale on my Depop. It's always linked in the description box. It is just my name at Taiyeler. I'll put it on the screen and it'll of course be in the description box below. So you can all go check out all of these pieces and purchase them if you would like them. I'm trying to clear out my closet for the new year. I have been posting things on Depop for the past few months and I have sold a couple things, but yeah, I'm trying to get rid of the rest of these items because I have ordered new clothes. I have a bunch of new clothes and I need to make space for them, and I don't really wear any of these things anymore. Most of these things that I'm selling, they have either been worn once or twice, or they've never been worn and they're brand new. Some of them still even have a tag on them. So I will state like if the item's been worn more than once, twice, if it's new or not in this video as well. I sell all of my clothing at a pretty cheap rate. Like literally everything in my shop is, I believe, 20 and under. Most of the things I offer free shipping on, so grab it while you guys can. If you guys like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up so I can do more videos like this and I can do more like kind of shop my closet kind of things. And yeah, because I have so many clothes and shoes and even accessories that I don't even wear, and why not just give it away to someone else who can make use of it and have a new home for it. So let's just get right on into this video. So behind me I have 2 bags of clothing. I didn't want to rip the bag. It comes on. The first item that I'm going to be selling are these pair of shorts. They're these army green shorts that have pockets on the side and then they have some pockets in the back. They're really good quality material. These are from Aeropostale and I have only worn these twice, I believe, two or three times. Still in really great condition, and they have cuffs at the bottom. These are a size 4. Fit you if you are a size 2 as well. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be listing these on Depop later on today or tomorrow. So some of the items that I show in this video are not yet on my Depop yet. Do not worry because I will be listing things later on today and tomorrow. Is this sweater. It is a navy blue knit sweater. It's long sleeve. It's super cute. It kind of has like a little high-low detailing material thingy going on at the bottom, as you can see. This is really cute. It's really comfortable. I love this sweater. I have worn this a bunch of times, but as you guys can see, it's literally still in perfect condition. This is also from Aeropostale, and this is a size small. This will fit you if you are a size small or an extra small. It's so perfect for the winter time. It's a cute color, keeps you very warm, and it's very stylish. Next thing is a tank top. This is from Charlotte Russe. It's still brand new with the tag on it. I have not worn this. I just don't think I'm really going to wear this. I don't really like it anymore. It's blue and white crop top. It's kind of like that little racer back thing. Perfect for the summertime, so if you guys want to be looking cute in the summer or even now, then buy this. This item is another pair of shorts. These are a pair of light wash denim shorts. You can see the color of it better, but these are a super light wash pair of denim shorts. I have worn these quite a few times as well, but of course they're still in perfect condition with hearts on the side, and I picked all of the hearts off. It used to be right there. You can see it, but you can't really see it when you wear it. They're from Target. They're children's brand, the Cherokee brand. I know. So these are a size extra large, and an extra large in kids equates to 2 to 4 in adult women. Next thing that I have is this denim dress from Charlotte Russe. I've only worn this once because it's too short for me, but it's an off-the-shoulder denim dress with a little frilly ruffle thing on the sleeves, and it just goes down this dress. It feels more like a shirt material. It doesn't really feel like denim, but either way, it's still cute. The last couple of items that I'm selling are all jeans, so I don't think I really need to go through and show you guys every single pair, but this is a pair. This pair is dark wash. It's skinny jeans. They're from Aeropostale. This pair is a little kind of light wash with a couple rips in them. These are from Delia's. It used to be a clothing store a couple years ago. It closed down. I think it might still be online only now, but these are a size 6. But these do not fit a size 6. These definitely will fit a size 2 or 4, 2 to 4. And then the Aeropostale ones are a size 4, I believe. Those are the only 2 jeans that I'm going to show you guys today, because I have like 10 pairs of jeans that I'm going to list on there too. But that is all that I am selling. So hopefully you guys liked these items. Hopefully some of you find these really, really cute to purchase. If you do, of course, it'll be packaged well. But yeah, guys,